Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by connecting actual data, not hypothetical files. First, verify source permissions and pick the smallest representative table to speed iteration. Once connected, inspect types and rename columns so later joins work reliably. Make quick transforms now, trim, change types, and remove null rows, because consistent schemas save effort. Make sure to load a sample and close the query editor only after previewing. That ensures your model reflects real values before you continue building visuals. Next, you build the semantic layer. Establish clear relationships and star schema patterns so visuals aggregate correctly. Create core measures with DAX. Start with SUM and count, then wrap with calculate and filter for business logic. Once done, add time intelligence measures for YoY or rolling averages. Also, optimize by removing unused columns, setting precise data types, and enabling summarization options. This reduces memory and speeds interactivity. Make sure visuals will reference measures, not raw columns, for consistent calculations. Finally, you design the dashboard for clarity and publish. Place KPIs up top, use consistent color to communicate status, and add slicers for user-driven exploration. Once satisfied, publish to the Power BI service and set a scheduled refresh. Then configure workspace permissions and row-level security so users see only relevant rows. Test interactivity and mobile view. If reports run slow, run Performance Analyzer to identify heavy visuals or DAX. Then simplify queries or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.